Did you know your cough could be a sign of heart failure, not just a cold? Here are 6 signs of a cardiac cough you shouldn't ignore. 1. Persistent cough with mucus. A lingering wet cough with white or pink frothy phlegm may mean fluid buildup in your lungs. 2. Worsens at night or when lying flat. If your cough gets worse when you're in bed, that could be fluid shifting into your lungs. 3. Triggered by activity. Coughing after walking or climbing stairs might signal your heart is struggling to keep up. 4. Wheezing or shortness of breath. Wheezing or difficulty breathing along with your cough could point to cardiac asthma. 5. Swelling and fluid retention. Swollen legs, fatigue or sudden weight gain often come with heart-related coughs. 6. Cough from heart meds. A dry, nagging cough might be caused by medications like ACE inhibitors, commonly used for heart conditions. If you notice 2 or more of these signs, don't wait. Get checked by a doctor. It could be more than just a cough.